Did you know there are 5 ways to make money on Coinbase? In fact, the first way is to get the sign-up bonus of £7 or $10 when you buy at least £72 or $100 worth of crypto on Coinbase. And after that, you can simply sell everything and make a few dollars in the process. And later in the video, I'm gonna show you how to make even more money from your referral link. But if you want to get your free sign-up bonus, use the first link in the description below to open a Coinbase account. Now, the second way to make quick money on Coinbase is to answer crypto-related questions. It's actually very simple, and in just 1 second, I'm gonna walk you through a few Coinbase questions. Just remember that I make videos like this one on other apps as well, so that you can make more money on your investments. And so this is the Coinbase app, and to access the questions, you should tap on the top left corner like that, and then click on Learn and Earn. And as you can see, there are a number of lessons that you can take on. So the best thing that I normally do, I go for the one that gives you the most reward, and then you click on Start Lesson. Now, the good thing is that this is the kind of questions you're gonna get, and what's really good is that you don't even have to know the answer. You just have to guess it. Like, for example, if you want to say commodity trading, which is probably wrong, and then you press submit, well, obviously it's gonna say no, that's not it, and then you can try again, and you can basically go on and try on and on. It's probably gonna be blockchain at this point, so I select blockchain and press submit, and there you have it. I just earned $1 by answering one question, and after you answer 2 or 3 of these questions, you can get up to $10, which you can simply sell if you don't like the cryptocurrency, or you can swap for Bitcoin or other mainstream cryptocurrencies that you can actually keep in your wallet for the long run. This is by far my favorite way to make money on Coinbase, because to access it, you just have to open an account on Coinbase, and it's a fun little way to add new cryptos to your portfolio without spending a penny. The next way to make money on Coinbase is to stake your crypto and earn up to 5% interest per year. The way staking makes money is quite complicated. So without going too much in detail, Coinbase says the reason your crypto earns reward while staked is because the blockchain puts it to work. But not all cryptos can be staked, and later we're gonna look at which one can be staked on Coinbase. Just be aware that staking carries risk, because the crypto that you stake can go up or down in price as part of normal market movements, and so you want to stake cryptos that you believe in for the long run. Now, to see the coins you can stake on Coinbase, you have to again tap on the top left corner like so, and then click on Earn Yield, and you will then see the coins that you can stake. And as you can see, there are only 4 coins at the time of recording, and to be honest, this is not even the biggest problem of Coinbase staking. The main problem is that staking is not free on Coinbase, and this is what Coinbase says about staking. Coinbase will distribute this reward that they're talking about staking to you after receipt by Coinbase, and this is the kicker, guys, minus 25% commission, and 25% is an awful lot if you compare it with other staking platforms. And by the way, let me know if you want to see a super comparison between the best staking apps, and I will make that video for you. Now, the next way to make money is to buy a cryptocurrency and hold it until you can sell it at a higher price. But there are 2 facts you must know. First of all, the crypto is very volatile, and that's why later in the video I'm gonna show you a safer way to start monetizing your Coinbase account. But in a nutshell, and talking from my experience in the investing industry, crypto is still the most rewarding asset you can own, and so it's worth having some of it in your portfolio. And the second fact, and this one is very important, is that Coinbase Pro is better than Coinbase because it's cheaper. So the best strategy is to get your free sign-up bonus on Coinbase and then use the same account to access Coinbase Pro. And that is because these 2 are sister companies, and so the same account gets you both websites. Now, the next way to make money on Coinbase is with affiliate marketing. Now, it might sound quite daunting, but it is as easy as having everyone in your family signed up on Coinbase, so that they would get their sign-up bonus, and you as well would get the sign-up bonus for each person that uses your referral link. And if you want to get started on Coinbase, you can use the first link in the description below. And remember, there are no limits to the number of people you can refer. And if you enjoyed this video, you will love the video that is on the screen right now. Click on the video and I'll see you there.